for the Lady Stags. We'll find out, but for now, back to you, Anton and Anjo.
Thank you, Kayla. Tama, no? Hindi ka dapat makampante. Mas lalo pagdating ng second round kasi very obvious at very evident na ang daming upsets na nangyari pagpasok ng second round. And on the other hand, para naman sa San Sebastian, they need more defense to produce more transition plays para masabayan nila yung offense-ang ibinabato sa kanila ng teams na nakakalaban nila. Mas lalo nitong Letran Lady Knights na sobrang lakas ng firepower.
At grabe rin yung pinapakita ng mga libero natin ngayon. Keeping the ball alive, keeping this rally going, Estrelier. Back set para kay Nitura. Buhay pa.
Ang gandang block rebound doon para kay Marasigan.
Estrelier, back to Judiel. Judiel Nitura with a checkout.
Iba na. Sobrang lakas at sobrang kampante na ni Nitura.
Lazarte is doing an excellent job as the libero so far para dito sa Lady Stags. Regalo para kay Marasigan.
Ang ganda ng timing ni Marasigan para sa regalo yon. And a nice serve as well para kay Gonzalez. Too strong para sa reception ng Lady Knights. Instant regalo para sa San Sebastian. Ito yung masarap sa pakiramdam.
Estrelier. Santos nakabuelo.
Oh!
Regalo para kay Santos. There you go.
Speaking of, Anton, andun na yung depense, but that went overboard, resulting into regalo para sa Letran Lady Knights na malugod namang tinanggap. Puntos para kay Martina.
Estrelier. Sari breaks down the wall.
The Wonder Rookie with a very powerful hit. Sari right in the middle of the two blockers para sa Lady Stags. Overpowering. Walang depensa. Puntos para kay Sari. Wow! This girl.
Dalawa, tatlong blockers. Sari is gonna challenge that. Pero eto, tatlo sumabay kay Kat
Oo,
Santos.
maagang sagot at mabilis na sagot para sa Lady Stags at para kay Kat, the Catwoman. Very agile. Ang ganda ng set. Gumagat sa decoy. Ang gandang patong, ang gandang timing para kay Kat. Right in the middle.
Ito yung matchup na gusto natin.
Oo.
Catwoman versus the Super Rookie. Ayan na.
Versus, yes, speaking of the Super Rookie, another quick side out para sa Letran Lady Knights at para kay Sari. Once again, overpowering the blockers. Dalawa pa yan para sa Lady Stags right in the middle.
Talagang dinadala kay Vanessa.
Oo, kanina pa tina-target eh.
Back set to Judiel. Cross court.
Chance ball.
Estrelier to Sari. 3 straight points for Vanessa Sari.
Spike from Sari, galing pa ng Bigolandia. Hindi umabot. Yung sa blocks si Ramos, hindi na pabagal yung malakas sa palo ni Sari. Back-to-back points para kay Sari at doon sa open position. Hindi pa siya nasa stop sa kanyang cross-court attacks.
The recruit from NCF, Naga College Foundation, gets an ace. 4 straight points for Vanessa Sari.
Grabe, mainit pa at maanghang pa sa Bicol Express. Mapaharap, mapalikod, umupunto ng coaches kasi wala kang kalaban pagdating sa service line.
Letran, the #1 team when it comes to serving in the NCAA. Judiel from the back row. Judiel Nitura.
Wow! Nitura proving her wit and her strength with that back row attack. Walang sobay na blocker. Bukas ang floor para sa puntos ni Nitura. Isa na lang po inaabol nila.
Wow, the variety in the serves of Judiel Nitura. And Judiel showing us that she has great ball control as well. Back row, goodbye!
Back-to-back back row points para sa Letran Lady Knights. This time may courtesy para sa ating super rookie na si Sari right in the middle. But she crossed that spike. Nandun yung depensa but that was too strong.
Wag mo paluin doon kasi nandoon yung libero.
Oo, na magaling. Magaling tumapat sa mga palo.
The best libero of the NCAA, Lara May Silva. So it's not just any libero. So Clint Malazzo is recognizing the skill of the Letran captain.
Alibero, very unusual po. Parang puso sa mga nanonood. No? Unusual po na magkaroon ka ng captain ball na libero. Tignan natin gano'ng kagaling si Silva. No doubts.
Breaking the mold. Laramie Silva, 3-time beach volleyball champion. Grabe, tuloy-tuloy ang atake nitong si Vanessa Sari.
Totoo, Anton, kanina pa kung may binibigay si Catwoman, in return may binabato ng bomba.
And now, Sari is at the service line.
Tapang, what a serve.
Estrelier. Makila with a Mac attack.
Para hindi nilabig sa bench itong si Makilang. Very hot right out of the bench. Makilang, right when you need her, gives you a point between the two blockers of Lady Stags. Walang kakabaka.
Set point na ang Letran.
Oh, a miscommunication para sa Lady Stags. Puntos para sa Letran Lady Knights, getting that first set.
And again, Royce De La Cruz, credit the point to her. Ready and steady from the middle, number 3. Royce De La Cruz, Letran takes the opening set. Come from behind, 25-21. Will that be the strange moment that San Sebastian will take advantage of? Sari.
Wow, what a block para kay Jonicio.
Judiel. Yes.
Too strong para sa blockers ng Lady Stags. Marasigan wasn't able to get that second ball mula sa kanyang block. Puntos para kay Judiel Nitura.
8 points on the floor here for Letran.
That's a nice serve, but a good reception para kay Kat.
Nitura. Princess. To Gia. Cross court. Gia gets another point.
Pero actually, ang ganda na, ang sarap ng buhay ni Makila kasi papasok lang siya later into the set, natrabaho na nila Sari, nila Nitura. If they want to get closer.
Makilang.
Oh, quick bawi para kay Makilang. Mula sa attack error, an attack point para kay Makilang this time, right in the middle, medyo late. Middle blocker, si Ramos ng Lady Stags to close that angle. Point para na serve.
Back row.
Ooh.
And Kat Santos gets a point.
Yeah, alam mo, experience plays well. Yung mga ganong kahirap na break ball, yung matataas na bola mula sa isang pangit na reset.
Ang galing magbasa ni Laramie.
Oo, sobra.
Alam ng...
Oh! Service saves with the help of the net para kay Deposoy. Back on the service line.
So, a little bit of help from the net here. Alam ni Laramie na kailangan ng paluin ni Gia kasi hindi aabot si Princess She can see plays before they happen.
Yeah.
It's a rare skill in sports.
Ooh, that was a quick attack mula kay Ramos. Etong Lady Stags quietly inching closer sa kalamangan ng Letran Lady Knights. That was a good set play para sa middle. Nasira. Oh yes, still so courageous, Anton.
Sigan. Ito na, opensa para sa Letran. Makilang.
Oh, that was a good block para kay Ramos. Chance ball para sa Lady Stags.
Lazarte wants it.
Marasigan.
She sets it up for Tina. Princess to Gia.
Oh!
Makilang ends the set.
Gia. Bawing-bawi. Pakaba. Para sa Letran Lady Knights. Single block coverage. Walang nag-block nung down the line area. Ang laki ng space na i-cover ni Kath para sa depensang yon. Kaya naman napadali ang puntos para kay Gian Maquila. Pinindot na. Ni Nick Fury yung
I like that.
button eh.
Nitura. Santos. Makilang with the pass. Estrelier with the set.
Ooh,
Oh, Lazarte picking it up.
good dig.
Ito yung pasa. Estrelier. Sari. Oh, Sarano.
Yan, at this time para kay Sari. Ito na yung napapansin natin kanina pa para kay Ramos. Hindi niya napapasok yung kamay niya kapag hahabol siya sa block. And this time, napasok niya. Kaya naman resulta para sa isang block point. Good net defense para sa Lady Stags.
Sophie Ramos. Estrelier. Sari.
Oh, good dig.
Estrelier. Kabila naman para kay Vanessa.
Wow, Ramos with that dig.
You can hear the voice of Lara May. Nitura. Estrelier. Back to Sari.
Ooh, another kill block point para sa Lady Stags. This time, atid naman yan ni Dionisio. Ito na. Kanina pa, first and second set, nakikita natin yung brilliance ng net defense nitong Lady Stags. Kaninang second set, meron silang
Santos. Sari picking it up from the back. Estrelier. Makilang. Estrelier. Judiel.
malayo yung set. Single block coverage para kay Kath. Easy point for that down the line kill. The Kath woman. Very agile.
Serving out for San Sebastian, Joy Deposoy.
Deposoy continuing to go with that jump serve. Estrelier.
Oh!
One-handed set to Royce De La Cruz.
Ang ganda ng one-hand setter mula kay Estrelier. Alam niyang over yung bola kung hindi niya ginawan. Ang gandang timing din at ang ganda ng tiwala ni Roxy that time. Hitting that quick attack. Puntos para sa Letran.
3 straight points para sa Letran.
Good serve mula kay Judel.
Marasigan. Estrelier. Makilang rises up. Santos back row. Dolphin dive by Silva. Di makulangan. Estrelier. Nitura.
Oh, it's still good.
Estrelier to Makilang.
There you go. Gia Makilang with a very powerful open spike. The blockers were there, but that approach and that jump height was too excellent para kay Gia Makilang. Puntos. 8-point lead para sa Letran Lady Knights.
Now, Anjo, alam natin si Enverga just check into the match, but for Coach Oliver Almadro, importanteng moment ito. This is a learning opportunity for the young libero.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. Kung sa iba, matatawag nitong garbage minutes.
Nope.
But for rookies, learning curve po ito. At nakaka-build ito ng kumpiyansa. At syempre, nung touch na rin inside the court.
Letran looking ahead.
Wow, Estrelier! First spike of the game! And the bench is loving the spike mula kay Estrelier.
How about that?
Aha.
The rookie libero, Allen Enverga, setting up the setter. Estrelier. Sari.
Oh, it's still good. Chance ball.
Isa pa.
Oh! Dug up once again.
Isa pa ba?
Ayan na. Oh! No, no, no! Twice, dug up, and sarado ang bangko para kay Sari. That time, Estrelier
11 serving 17.
confidente na ibigay kay Sari, but good defense.
Something different, a new spark. Estrelier, a joust at the top of the net. Sari. Estrelier. Makilang from the back row.
Wow.
From the
A
back
glimpse
row,
of how great she is sa sand. That was a beach volleyball approach, a beach volleyball off-speed spike. Yes, there you
On
go.
deck to serve, Estrella.
Doesn't like that error mula kay Gonzalez.
Nandun na yung momentum eh. Lazarte
Yeah,
keeps the
sayang.
ball in play. Estrelier to Makilang. Blockers were there. Laramay.
Oh, Silva was back in na. Wow,
Oh,
what a good
Lazarte.
dig by Lazarte.
Estrelier. Gia.
Oh! Leitura and Silva, miscommunication for that off-speed attack. And it was a replay, no? Kanina, what a good dig by Lazarte. Pero ito, yung atake. Off-speed right in the middle of the blockers. Walang kumuha.
Junicio. Here's the pass. Estrelier back to Makilang. Oh, most of the sets going to Gia. Estrelier takes matters into her own hands.
Oh, what a good dig.
Makilang na naman. Popped up by Gonzalez. Estrelier. Sari back row.
Oh, that was dug up.
San Sebastian making this run without
Oh.
Kat Santos.
Uh-huh.
Divine Garcia.
And now San Sebastian nearly sags down by 2.
21 serving 23.
Di makulangan. Makilang. Perfect pass. Estrelier to Vanessa Sari.
Sari ending our game, proving her strength. Once again, single block coverage, hindi pwede kay Sari yan.
It was a furious comeback attempt by San Sebastian, but Letran wins this match by any means. Vanessa Sari.